When estimating your backup power needs, you'll want a generator that can run the largest appliance and motors that you will need during an outage. You could always run other smaller loads or appliances by rotating them on and off as necessary. For example, if you have a generator with 9,600 continuous watts of capacity, during a power outage, you can run the hot water heater, typically 4,800 watts, by simply turning off the majority of the other household breakers until the water tank heats up. Once the water is heated, shut off the water heater breaker and switch on other household circuit breakers back on and rotate them on and off as required. To determine the loads that you can support with a portable generator, you must consider both the running watt and the starting watt requirements of the loads you want to operate. When we talk about power rating of motor loads, two terms are commonly used: starting watts and running watts. They both show a power consumption of the appliance, but at different times, and some devices come with compressor motors, like refrigerators and wash machines and air conditioners and water pumps. They need extra power at the start of their operation. This additional power, since the starting watts are only required when the appliances start, they are consumed for a short period of time. Here are some common appliances with their higher starting wattage. A steady power supply that the generator delivers to keep the appliance going is called running watts. It is also known as continuous power or rated wattage. For example, if a water pump has a starting wattage of 3,000 watts, it will have a running watts as low as 1,000 to 1,500 watts. Let's look at some commonly used appliances that need low running watts to perform their routine. The running watts of a solar generator means how much power it can deliver continuously to run or charge various appliances or devices. A 1,000 watt solar system will easily run a 600 watt refrigerator, but operating a 1,500 watt appliance with this generator will exceed the maximum capacity. Every time the power requirements exceed the generator's capacity, it will likely shut down. This is how to calculate the total wattage requirements when dealing with a variety of motor loads. Step 1. Determine the running or starting watts of all appliances that you want to power with the generator. Step 2. Add the running watts of all appliances to find the total running wattage your generator should supply. Step 3. Highlight the highest value of the starting wattage among all appliances. Step 4. Sum up the total running wattage and the highest surge or starting watts to calculate the total wattage requirements. Step 5. Last but not least, add an extra 10 to 25% power as an added safety buffer. It will help the generator handle unexpected surges. Let's use a real-life example to better understand how you can select the right generator based on the wattage needs. Suppose you want to run a 60 watt ceiling fan with 150 watt starting wattage, 350 watt refrigerator with a 700 watt starting wattage, 30 watts of LED bulbs, 1,000 watt heater pump with a starting wattage requirement of 2,000 watts, and a 50 watt laptop with a generator. In this case, the total running and starting watts can be calculated as follows. The total running watts must equal 60 plus 350 plus 30 plus 1,000 plus 50, which equals 1,490 watts. The highest starting wattage must be 2,000 watts. To run these appliances, you should select a generator that can provide a continuous power of at least 1,490 watts and a starting watts of at least 3,490 watts. This is how you can select the best generators for your home use. If you want to run a few appliances, go for portable generators that get backup power. If you want to run a whole house or a business, standby generators will enable you to power everything that you need. Furthermore, you will want to purchase or use a generator of any size, but provided the generator is equipped with a 4-wire 120-240 volt receptacle rated at 20 amps or 30 amps and or 50 amps. This will allow you to easily connect your existing power panel and is designed to be compatible with 20 amp, 30 amp, and 50 amp connectors. Check your generator for one of these receptacles. These receptacles are rated for 120-240 volt output, which is what you'll need to run your home. There are also many online stores where you can check prices and read reviews. In this video and future videos, I will be featuring selected suppliers that, in my opinion, are out in front as far as features, portability, compatibility, and capacity. I will be providing links to these suppliers, which will give you the latest information and at times deep discounts. This will help you make informed decisions. One such power backup supplier is Bluetti, which at the present time is running huge discount sales. In order to take advantage of these sales and find out more about what Bluetti is all about and has to offer, simply go to this web address.